I'm doing here today, I have a 2019 F-150 with the 2.7 in it, and it is a gasoline direct injection, and the back side of the valves, over time they get a little bit of buildup and you need to clean that off. So I have the Berryman intake valve and combustion chamber cleaner, and I'll show you how to do that today. Having a little helper is optional. Okay, I'm going to take a 7mm, loosen up this worm clamp here that is connected to the throttle body, and I'm going to pull the little rubber sleeve off the throttle body. Okay, got that off of there. Now we're going to go and open up our little box there. Okay, there's a little kit here. This is the cleaner, and there's several nozzles here. This is what we're going to be putting inside the rubber boot of the throttle body there, and we're going to go and connect this little unit here. This gold colored one is for 6 cylinders and up. This silver one is for 4 and 5 cylinders, 3-cylinder engines. So it meters the flow coming out of the can here. And next we're going to take our little yellow straw here. It has that curve in it. We're going to place it inside the throttle body there. And we're going to go and put this rubber sleeve back on. Okay, I'm going to slip the sleeve off the other side to get that up there. We'll just reconnect this, and then we'll connect our can to this. Okay, got that other wire or rubber thing on there. We'll take and put our little metering thing on here. Okay, I have that can attached. Now what we're going to do is make sure that nothing will contact that. We're going to go start the engine, and then once it's running we're going to depress this tab. If it stalls out or anything happens where it doesn't stay running, you'll come out here, push this tab in on the bottom, and that'll release the cleaner going in there. You may have a slight drop in RPMs after you depress the valve on the can, but it should recover after that. Okay, it's empty. We'll go ahead and shut our engine off and leave it sit for 1/2 hour. Let it do its magic. Okay, I'll come back in a 1/2 hour, and in the meantime I'll take that little hose out of there and connect our rubber connector to the throttle body. Okay, got her in there. Okay, it's been a 1/2 hour. I'll close this up. I'm going to take it for a 10-minute drive. Okay, I'm back from taking it on a test drive there. I gave it an Italian tune-up, merging on the highway, and we now have a check engine code. Okay, it came up with a 2196 check engine code. I'm gonna go ahead and erase that.